Hello foodies! Welcome to Svidanika the Kitchen. Today's recipe is a healthy and nutritious milkshake. This quick and easy shake makes a perfect breakfast smoothie for kids on busy days. This avocado shake is a way to boost your healthy fat intake. It is thick, creamy, fruity and delicious. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. For this recipe, the main ingredients are avocado and banana. Take a ripe avocado in the palm, cut it lengthwise around the seed. Cut into the avocado until the knife hits the seed. Then rotate the fruit with one hand while keeping the knife steady in the other hand. Now open the avocado and pit the seed off. Avocados are high in fat, but it is monosaturated fat, which is good fat that helps lower bad cholesterol as long as you eat them in moderation. Crush the pulp with the help of the spoon and discard the skin. Avocados offer nearly 20 vitamins and minerals in every serving. Avocados helps in controlling blood pressure. They are good for your eyes. Avocados are crucial for cell repair and during pregnancy. Avocados are low in sugar. They have very low glycemic index and they contain fiber, which helps you feel full longer. In a blending jar, add 3 cups whole milk. I have boiled milk and cooled down to room temperature. Now add pitted and peeled avocado pulp. Peel one medium-sized banana and add in the jar. Bananas boost digestive and heart health due to their fiber and antioxidant content. They may even aid weight loss as they are relatively low calorie and nutrient dense. Now add 1/3 cup pitted dates. Dates are a very healthy fruit to include in your diet. They are high in several nutrients, fiber and antioxidants. Today we are using dates as a natural sweetener in our milkshake. Now add ½ cup ice cubes. Secure the lid and place it on the blender. Today I am using my Vitamix A3500 to make this milkshake. You can use any blender of your choice. I am selecting smoothie mode. This takes 54 seconds to blend. In any blender, start with low speed and use maximum speed until everything is blended. Now, milkshake is ready. Let's transfer this into a serving glass. Top this with 3 to 4 banana slices. Drizzle 1 teaspoon honey on the top if you want it more sweeter. Enjoy this thick, creamy, healthy and nutritious milkshake as a breakfast or as an evening snack. Avocados and bananas helps in keeping you full for longer. Kids love this sugar-free milkshake which is loaded with all nutrients, fiber and fats. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do try this yummy milkshake and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.